Hey guys, Matt Hoots here, and a lot of you guys are asking me about water filtration. Now you can go with the whole house water filter. You can also go with point of use. So I really like this one right here. This is the point of use one. This is a reverse osmosis, RO. And a lot of times when you remove everything out of the water, it has a funny taste because like when we're used to, when you're drinking natural water that comes out of the tap, you don't want the chlorine, but it also has the minerals and stuff in there. But what this does, it takes all the bad stuff out of the water, adds some minerals back in there. That way you get all the nutrients and stuff that you need from water, and also it doesn't taste funny. So it's a really cool system. This is by Atlas Filtri. So they've got the reverse osmosis system. They also have the whole house water filter system. And what's really cool about their product line, it looks like they've got different types of filters for different scenarios. So there's not a one size fits all. It depends on where you live in the US. You can go with different types of filters, and they've got on their website, they've got it in their literature. You can get this at Ferguson, any other distributors like that, but again, it's going to be specific to your use. Now, in our case, some of our clients, if they're doing a retrofit application, they're going to go with the point of use, and I've got some others that are doing whole house, so they've got different options no matter what you're trying to do in your house. All right, so if you're trying to match what you already have, you can basically look at this. This might be a Kohler faucet, it could be a Delta faucet, but this is their faucet that comes out. So this is where the regular tap water comes out of for just like washing dishes and whatnot, and this is where the reverse osmosis water comes out from the tank. So you can match the different ones, and if you looked at this, I would have thought these were all from the same manufacturer, but they've done a really good job coming up with different lines that match the existing faucet lines that are out there. Hey, if you got value out of this, we've got full coverage from this year's show. Check out our tours of the new American home, the new American model, and all of our interviews from the show floor. For your convenience, all the playlists are right here. Don't forget to subscribe since we've got more coming.